Hello students, this is R.K. Naishram, your biology teacher. Yeah. So yesterday we discussed the topic is sexual reproduction in animals. Yeah. What is a gamete and what is a male female gamete structure? Yes or no? And fertilization. Yeah. We discussed yesterday is that right? Yeah. Today topic is fertilization. Fertilization is two types are there. One is a internal fertilization, external fertilization. Right. So, internal fertilization means inside of the female body. The fertilization is occur inside the female body. See, the fertilization which occurs inside the female body is called internal fertilization. So simple. Internal fertilization means inside the body of female, right? Best example is mammals, include human beings and cow, buffalo. So number of is there. Birds, reptiles. Yes or no? Reptiles means crocodiles. Yes or no? These also all internal fertilization only because of the fertilization occur inside the mother body. Means the mother it will give it gives a new young ones, right? Yeah. External fertilization, the fertilization which occurs outside of the female body is called external fertilization. So best example is amphibians like frogs, toads and fishes. సో మనం చూసామంటే aquatic ఏరియాస్లో both amphibian and fishes. So both these organisms they produce or they release gametes in a water. But in the water is suitable temperature and condition. What is suitable temperature condition అంటే ఇక్కడ సపోజ్ సమ్మర్ సీజన్ అనుకున్నాం. Summer season very hot temperature. Yes or no? So in this time both amphibians and fishes the release of gametes in a water. A hot temperature के होता है mostly 99% of the eggs will yes or no broken down or right. At the same time number of different types of organism cranes or organisms to eat these amphibians fishes eggs. Right channel. Yeah. So what is the suitable temperature condition ante stagnant water undali, temperature also medium, at the same time they hide in a water. That's we call suitable temperature and suitable condition. Appudu maatrame that time also these amphibians and fishes to fuse to zygote and sperm or they both gametes to fuse to form a zygote and it give the new young ones of amphibians and fishes. So that is the external fertilization, right? మరి చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం అసలు గ్యామెట్స్ మేల్ అండ్ ఫీమేల్ గ్యామెట్స్ అండి. దెన్ అట్ ద వాట్ ఏజ్ దే ప్రొడ్యూస్ ద గ్యామెట్స్, సో వీ కాల్ ప్యూబర్టీ. ఎస్, యా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్యూబర్టీ హియర్ మీన్స్ ద ఏజ్ అట్ విచ్ ద సెక్స్ హార్మోన్స్ ఆర్ గ్యామెట్స్ బిగాన్. ఏ ఏజ్లో అయితే ఆ ఏజ్లో ద ప్రొడ్యూస్ ఆఫ్ గ్యామెట్స్, ఆ గ్యామెట్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయ్యే టైమ్, ఆ ఏజ్ని మనం ఏమంటున్నాం ప్యూబర్టీ అంటున్నాం. Hey students, already this topic is already including 8th, 9th. Yes or no? Yeah. Just once I remember this topic because of one or two questions will come for this topic only. Yes, right? Yeah. So the age at which the sex hormones or gametes begin to be produced and the boy and girls become sexually matured means the produce of gametes. That age we call puberty or able to produce is called puberty. Puberty tends to start earlier in females than in males. First, ante compared to the boys, the females are they start the gametes earlier stage. Yeah. Generally, boys attend puberty at the age of 13 to 14 years. Mostly in this age only they start the puberty age or release the gametes. But if the girls reach puberty at 10 to 12 years. So it is approximately depend on the food and hormones, atmosphere. So depend on these type of things only they able to produce the gametes. So not exactly this age, approximately, right? Yeah. So what is the male hormones here means the testes produce. Testes anevani cheptanu. Next topic is there. Yeah, we'll discuss in everything diagram and including structure and functions, right? Yeah. The testes produce the male sex hormones that is called testosterone. 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 These testosterone we call it is a male sex hormones. These hormones is present in a body, they produce the male gametes. Otherwise, so testosterone is absent, what happened? So no gametes. No gametes means no reproduction, no babies, right? The ovaries produce two female sex hormones. The ovaries produce two female sex hormones. One is the estrogen, OESTROGN. So O silent, estrogen antunam. And progesterone, PROGESTERONE. Progesterone. Yes, right? The ovaries produce two female sex hormones. One is the estrogen and one more is the progesterone. So these we call female hormones. These female hormones, they produce the female gametes like a egg cell. Mean this one option means, so no egg cell, the mother cannot able to produce the young ones, right? Yeah, this is the puberty. మరి అటు ప్యూబర్టీ టైం వాట్ చేంజెస్ ఇన్ ఏ బాయ్స్, ఆల్రెడీ మీకు 8th 9th వచ్చింటుంది, చెక్ చేసుకున్నా సరే, రైట్? సో వాట్ చేంజెస్ ఇన్ బాయ్స్ at puberty time and girls also. See, in the boys, hair grow under armpits and pubic regions, means genital places lo hair grow avutundi. At the same time, hair also grow on other parts of the body like chest and face, that's what we call mustache and beard, right? So this mustache and beard is a best example for the boys, right? You can use one. Body becomes a more muscular system, why? Because of more strong muscles to develop in a voice. The voice also deepens or cracks, so more sound. Chest and shoulders broaden shoulder, and the penis and testes become larger. Penis and testes become larger. So we'll discuss in a diagram including next topic is there. Yeah, the testes start to make sperms. So the sperms we call it is a male gametes. So what is the male hormones? Testosterone, that is a male hormone. Next, what about any females changes puberty time? Yeah, so same as here also, the hair grow under armpits and pubic regions. So these are both same only in male and females. Yeah, so here mammary glands are breast to develop and enlarge the body. Why? Because of the mammary gland, it produce the milk for babies. Yeah, the mothers, so cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, human beings, these mothers it give milk for babies with the help of mammary glands, right? The hips is broadened. Why? Because of they carry the baby at the pregnancy time, that's why hips is broadened. Fallopian tubes, uterus and vagina enlarges. Yeah, this also we discuss in including diagram for next topic is there. Yeah, fallopian tubes, uterus and vagina enlarges, and ovaries start to release eggs. ఆల్రెడీ మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా. యా, ఫీమేల్ గ్యామెట్స్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ ఎగ్స్ అంటున్నాం. యా, మెన్స్ట్రుయేషన్ సైకిల్, దట్స్ మీన్స్ మంత్లీ పీరియడ్స్ విల్ స్టార్ట్. సో వెరీ డిఫరెంట్ ఈస్ ద మేల్ అండ్ ఫీమేల్. వై? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ ద మేల్ it can continuously to produce the male gametes or sperms, but in female, so only one ova is released. So every month one ova is released. Yeah, this also discuss in deeply in next topic is there. Yeah, what is the female hormones? Estrogen and progesterone. Yeah, so this is the changes, what changes in a male and female, right? Yeah, students, tomorrow is a very important topic about the male and female organism structure, means diagram and structure and functions, right? Don't miss the tomorrow classes. Thank you.